Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Amazon Music Unlimited. First, go to your Amazon Music settings. In the Amazon Music Unlimited section, find your subscription renewal details. Select the cancel option and confirm your cancellation. If you subscribe through Apple, Google, iTunes, or mobile provider, you'll need to cancel it through them. And if you're using an Echo or Alexa enabled device, you can simply say, Alexa, cancel my Amazon Music Unlimited subscription. And that's it. That's how you cancel Amazon Music Unlimited. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.